Wait, don't scroll. Let me show you how to play the new old, okay, anyway, the new Nigerian anthem in a simplified way. Let's begin. All right, so that's it. So let me just explain. First, you need to know that I'm playing on the key of G. You might decide to play yours on any key. That's fine. Key of G, major. So that's the key of G. So the next thing is for me to pick the melody. So it started with. I hope you can see that. I'll play it again. Started on the fifth, then go to the octave, G, went back again, then the next one. Then we then have the fifth again, which is D. So that's the first one. So what I did to harmonize it is this. I did single, then my harmony comes in again. Then I did a suspended second on my G, and then resolve to a D major. So my left hand is just playing simple notes, so which you have, look at it. I quickly play that 7 there. I don't know what my, okay, let me see. Okay, 7th, that's what I just simplified there. My chord indicator is showing me something else, but when you have the third, it brings it out. So I did that, so. Then the third, then I go down to D on my left hand, octaves, then resolve it. That's the first part. Then the next one is of me playing the D octave higher alone. I harmonize it with the 7th to give us that mood. If you listen to the song, I'm sure you heard that note so a lot. So I play the second part is. So what I did is I did a walk down on my left hand, which is. And this is actually what you have there. That's also a D. You get it? Then the third one, the melody started from here, very easy, started from the fifth, which is D of the key of G. So it's more or less you're just playing D scale. That's just the idea. But just that the 7th is not there, which is C sharp. But this time around, you can look at it as if you're playing the scale of G from the 5th. So then next one. You get that now? So then I harmonize it with this. Then look at it, then I'm right back again, then to my feet, then you see that this note, C sharp, is not part of the G major scale. So it's an accidental actually to resolve to a particular point. So I'll play it again. So harmonize. So this is moving from from the root downward, backward. So it's like you are playing fourth apart. You see that? So you're playing fourth apart. So return back to the seventh, then then what I had, you can just resolve yours like this. What I did, and you can see that it's just an harmony, but the real note is already there. I just use this as the passing chord. So I'll play it again. Did you see that? Then the next one, the fourth part is here. The melody is this. See that? So D low and D octave. Then this. Then I'll go back again. You can play it as simple as that, but I harmonize it with some notes, which I'm going to show you. So I did like this. See that? Very simple. Then look at it. This go to the second. Then passing note, the seventh. Then I did this. Watch. You see that chord as A minor, then to resolve to 1. So let me play it all together. Did you see that now? So that's it. You can try that yourself too. Add some extra notes. See you in my next lesson.